First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 59 daily score booster questions, starting with the simplifications. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. First one, 1/3 of x plus 3/4 of 6.25 percentage. It is nothing but 1/16 of 1152. So 4, 2 times 8 times and 8 times 16, 18 times 3, 18 times will be 54. So what we get here is 54 from this whole equals to 35% of 800. Percentage and double zeros cancel. 35 into, instead of 8 we write 2 into 4. This will be 70. 74 times will be 280. So totally we get 1/3 of x equals to 280 minus 54, which will be 6 and 2 and 226. So into 3 times will be x value 18, 12, 13, 7. 2 3 2 times 6 7, and this is 678. 678 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Next, fourth question. 4/5 of 4/5. So 5, 4 times 20, 2 times 10 and 7 times 4, 7 times 28, 4 8 4 8 2 10, 4 4 times 16 17 1708 plus 45% of 2620. Here we see percentage 5 factor and 2 factor and is single zero. 5 9 times 2 131 times. So the answer for this one will be this one. 9 1 times is 9, 9 3 times 27, 9 1 times 9 and 2 11, 1179. So what we have is 1708 plus 1179 minus this whole comes this side with minus 1289. So whole equals to x. Here 9 and 9 subtracting and we left with only 8 in the unit digit. Here we have 7. We need to subtract 8. So 17 minus 8 will be 9. So here we have only 7. 7 minus 2 will be 5. So here we have 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So 1598 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next, third question. Here we see 2 by 7, 2 by 27. This is 9 3 times, 9 2 times, and 2 times 4. Okay, 19 3 times. So what we left is x divided by 3 into 3, 9. X equals to 31. So x value will be 31 into 9. 9 1 times 9, 9 3 times 27. 279 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, 28% of 600. Percentage and double zeros cancelled. 6 8 times 48. 6 2 times 12. 12 plus 4 16 minus x divided by 10 into 45 equals to, the difference between these two is 8 78. Okay, so 78 comes this side with a minus. So what we left is 90 equals to x divided by 10 into 45. 45 2 times 2 into 10 will be 20. So x value will be 20. Option D is our answer. Next, fifth question. Here we see 48 square. 48 square value is 23 and 8 square means 04 minus 788. Here we get 6. This will be 1, 2 means 5, and this is 1, 1516. So 1516 whole divided by 4. 4 3 times 12, 31 means 7 times 28, and 36 means 9 times. So 379 equals to x plus 59. 59 goes there with minus. So we get 320 as our answer. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Wait a second. These are the quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. First question. Here we see minus at both the ends. So the answer will be, there is no relation can be established in between these two, because Minus and minus means the roots are in positive and negative. Here minus and minus means both the roots are in positive and negative. But comparing positive and negative, x greater than y. Negative and positive, x lesser than y. So it clashes. So there is no relation between these two when we see the minus at the end. Okay, next, second question. This is, first we need to find this one. The value for this one will be 1, 8, 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So here we get the plus and minus values of some square, but this number is more than this number. We get a value of positive 1 more than the value of the square of this one. So it is clear that x is less than y. Next one, if you want to find the answer, you can find. Here it is 82. 82 means 90. This is 1 or 9, and 9 or 9, 91. So answer for this one will be plus 91. Here root over 3721 means 61. Plus or minus 61 is the answer. So now comparing these two, it is clear that x is less than y. Next one, here 7 5 times 35. So the roots are 7 and 5 only. Okay, minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Here the roots must be in positive. 9 5 times 45. 45 15 3 times. Okay, here to make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 9, this with 7. 7 3 times 21, 7 15 times 105. 9 5 times 45. 7 9 times 63. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that these two numbers comes in between these two. So there is x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. There is no relation between these two equations. Okay, next, fourth question. X square is equals to 784. Here we get the plus and minus values of 28. Here we get y value, which is, we see 2 here means 8 and leaving 3. Here this is 2 1 leaving 3, we have 21. 21 means we need to take 2 cube. So the answer for this one is 28. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is less than or equals to y. Okay, next, here 156, we need to get 25 means this is 13 12 times. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Here minus 152, 152. 19 8 times, 19 8 times is 152. Minus and minus means positive and negative are the roots. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that these two numbers comes in between these two. So x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. There is no relation between these two equations. Okay, next, now we are going to see wrong number series. So let's see. Here we see the differences 11. Here we see the difference of 25. Here the difference is 39. 15 to this one we get 51. Here the difference is 64 plus 5 69. Let's see double difference. Here the double difference is 14. Here the double difference is 14. Here the double difference is not same, so it must be 14, and here also must be 14. So these two are wrong. These two wrong means this is our wrong number. Okay, next, second question. Here we see a difference of 1 4 4 441. Here we see a difference of plus 9. This will be 0 minus 2, and 10 minus 5 529. This is 21 square. This is plus 23 square. So here the difference must be 25 square. 5 2 6. Okay, it is 25 square. Here we see 5 becomes 4 means 9. 0 7 means 3. This is 11. 11 minus 4. which will be 7. This is wrong number. Here we see the difference of 1, 4, 11 minus 3, 8, 841. This is a 28 square, 29 square. Wait a second. This is wrong. Here the difference is 5. 0 minus 7, 3. Okay, it is 3, 635. This is also wrong. So it must be 7 square, 27 square. So these two are wrong, means this is in between them. This is our wrong number. Next one. Here we see the difference of plus 15. Here we see a difference of plus 22. Here we see a difference of 20, 34, 24 plus 5, 29. Here we see a difference of 43. Here the difference is 6, 7 minus 4, 36. So let's see double difference. Here the double difference is 7. Here is also the 7. So it must be 7. So it must be 36. And plus 7 will be 43. So these two are wrong numbers, means this is our wrong number. Next one. Fourth question. Here it is clear that it is into 1 times plus 1. It is into 2 times plus 2. It is into 3 times 42 plus 3. It is into 4 times 180, 180 plus 4. So it must be into 5 times. 4 times is 0 at the end, plus 5 means we get the unit digit 5. So here we have 8. This is our wrong number. Next, here we see it is into 2 times. It is into 4 times. It is into 8 times, 6 times. Here it must be into 8 times. 8 times 4, 64, and 8 4 times 32 and 6, 38. So this is also right. So it must be into 10 times, which is 3840. Okay. So these are our wrong numbers. Now we are going to see missing number series. Missing number series. First question. This is into 3 times. And here we see plus 4. And this is into 6 becomes 2, means 7 times. 7 6 times is 42, 7 8 times 56 to 60. Okay. So it must be into 5 times and plus 4. So 82, 80, 80. This must be plus 6. Okay, 80. 16 5 times is 80. So answer is 80. Option D is our answer. Next, here we see the difference between these two is 292. Here we see the difference of 4 plus 94, 98. Here we see a difference of 600. Here we see a difference of 100. So it must be difference of 94, and here must be difference of 96. 300. 300 plus 96, 396. So option A is our answer. Next, third one. Here it is divided by 3 times. So it must be divided by 3 times. 3, 9 times. Wait a second, we don't see this one. The difference between these two is 1, 2, and 1. Here we see a difference of plus 4, 23. 9 means 144. This is 11 square, this is 12 square, minus plus. So here must be minus 13 square. Here must be plus 14 square. And the difference between these two must be 15 square, minus 15 square. 5, 2, 2. Okay, so this is 196. This is 169 minus. So 169 means 40 plus 20, 31. 40 plus 31 will be 71. 71 plus 196 will be 267. So answer will be 71. Option B is our answer. Next, here we see half times will be 31 plus 2. Here it is into 2 times, which will be 5108 plus 9109 plus 2. It is into 2.5 times. This will be 222 plus 50, 5.5. We get 772 plus 2. So it must be into 1.5 plus 2. This is into 1 plus 2. 33, 1 times 33 plus 2, 35. So answer is 35. Option C is our answer. Next, fifth one. Here we see a difference of 6, 16. Here we see a difference of 8 plus 41, 49. Here we see a difference of 59 plus 5, 64. 8 square, 7 square, 4 square. So it must be 5 square and it must be 7 square, 6 square. 36 and 25. 131 plus 25 will be 156. So answer will be 156. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. For inequalities, wait a second. For the concept of inequalities, what we use here is the flow method. So if we see a symbol like this, it means the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's see and understand through the questions directly. The flow from J to G. From J, there is no flow to G. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, G equals to J. It is not equal to. So second conclusion is also false. Now we are going to see second question. The flow from T to P. From T, there is a flow up to P. So first conclusion will be true. First conclusion is true. Second conclusion, the flow from L to O. From L, we can reach to P and to O. But here there is equal to also and there is no equal to here. So second conclusion will be false. Next, third question. The flow from 21 to 24. From 21, we can able to reach to 27 only. We cannot able to reach to 24. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from 26 to 25 with everywhere equals to 26 to 27. We came to 27 but cannot able to reach to 25. So second conclusion is also false. But we see here 21 is equals to 25. So instead of 25 we can write 25, 21. So these are same. Here 21 is greater, 21 is lesser, 21 is equal to. 24 and 26 is also equals to. So here we get both are false and we get all the three symbols in between 21 and 24. So the answer for this question is either 1 or 2. Okay, next fourth question. The flow from G to A. From G we can able to reach to H or else L but cannot able to reach to A. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from A to N with everywhere equals to. From A we can able to reach to N but there is a missing of equal to here. So second conclusion is also false. Next one, fifth question. The flow from N to A. Wait a second. Here N is not equals to G. Okay, that answer for that one will be neither 1 nor 2. Here N is N, the flow from N to O. From N we can reach to G. From G we can reach to O. It is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from V to I. From V we can reach to G. From G we cannot able to reach to I. So second conclusion is false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. Some journalists are writers. Only a few writers are readers. All readers are typists. No typist is stenographer. Let's see conclusions. No journalist is a stenographer. Means some journalist can be stenographer. We check some journalist. some part of a journalist can share with the stenographer. It is possible. Some case possible means no case fails. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some journalist is typist is a possibility. Some journalist can share with the typist is a possibility. Yes, it is true. Second one is true. Next, second statement, only a few cabbage is cauliflower. Some piece is cabbage. Some cauliflower is spinach. Only spinach is potato. So potato is inside spinach and doesn't share with anything except spinach. Now let's see conclusions. All cabbage being cauliflower is a possibility. All cabbage can be placed inside cauliflower. Is it possible? No, it is not possible because of this part. So first conclusion will be false. Some piece is potato. Here it is piece and here is potato. We cannot able to share, and it is saying a direct conclusion and there is no relation between piece and potato. So second conclusion is also false. Next, third question. All buffalo is yak. All buffalo is yak. Only a few yak is cow. At least some cow is ox means some cow is ox. Only a few ox is fox. Let's see conclusions. The conclusions are all buffalo can be fox. All buffalo is inside can be placed inside fox as it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, no yak is ox is a possibility. First leave the is a possibility side. We see no yak is ox. For that we check some yak is ox. Some yak can be shared with ox. Some case is possible. Some case possible means no case fails. Here fails and saying that possibility means the answer will be true. Okay. So the answer for this one will be true. Now we are going to see the question number 4. Question number 4. Some dolphin is a whale. Some dolphin. Some dolphin is a whale. Only a few whale is shark. Some shark is a sole. No sole is tuna. Next conclusions. Some whale is a sole. Here whale and here is soul. There is no direct relation between whale and soul. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some dolphin is a shark is a possibility. Some part of a dolphin can share with shark is a possibility. Yes, it is true. Next, fifth one, only a few tube light is bulb. Some bulb is a lamp. Only a few lamp is a flashlight. Some flashlight is candle. Okay, let's see conclusions. All bulb is candle. Here all bulb is inside candle. No, first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some tube light is flashlight is a possibility. Some part of a tube light can share with the flashlight as it is possible. So second conclusion will be true. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Wait a second. So here we go with the puzzle. The puzzle says that 8 persons goes on vacation on 8th and 19th of 5 different months: January, March, April and July. Let's note them: January, March, April and July. Each month has 2 dates, 8 and 19. 8, 19. Okay. Next, note here given that consecutive named persons according to English alphabetical series does not go before or just after each other. Okay. So immediate persons does not be sit goes to the vacations immediately. That is the note given. Next, more than 2 persons goes between you and we. You and we more than 2 persons. 3 persons goes between y and u. Y and u there are 3 persons. U who goes in the month having least number of days. Here we have 31 days, 31 days, 30 days and 31 days. So U must be either here or here is the possibility of U. If U here 1, 2, 3, this is place for Y. According to this one, 1, 2, 3, this is the place for Y. Next one, Z goes immediately before W. Z goes immediately before W, but in different months. So, but in different months means Z and W. We can place Z and W, but Y and Z are immediate persons, cannot be placed. So this is not possible. Here cannot possible. So only place for Z and W is here for this one. In this case, Z and W. We can place Z and W here. This is the only place for Z and W in this case. Next one, X goes before S. X goes before S, but not on 19th of any month. So X goes on 8th of the month. So here only 8 left is this one. So this is the only place for X, and S might be these two. Okay, in this case we have 8 here, 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 both. We have 3 possibilities for X. We cannot able to place X here because of immediate peoples. So we cannot able to place X either here also. So there is only one place left for X is here, and X below one is S. So this is place for S. Okay. Next, what we see is U and V in between more than 2 people. Here U, we cannot able to place V here. So here also we cannot able to place V. So totally this case fails. Next, in this case we can able to place V in this place. So only left with S and T. We left with T. So this is the solution of our puzzle. Let's see the questions that are asked. Who among the following person goes on 19th April? On 19th April, you went to the vacation. Option C is our answer. Next, how many persons goes between X and T? Here T and here is X. 1, 2, 3. 3 people are sitting in between them. Option C is our answer. Next, third question. Which of the following combination is correct? Why 19th January? So first one is right. Second one, T 8th March. It is also right one. S 19th July. S 19th July. It is also right. X 8th July. X 8th July. It is also right. So option E all is correct. Next one, fourth question. Who among the following goes on 8th January? 8th January, we went for vacation. Option A is our answer. Next, 4 of the 5 are alike. Okay. The options are Z, V, Y. So, next one, US. These all are 19, but only V, which is 8th. So, option B, V is the false one, odd one out. So, these are the answers for our puzzle. So that's all for today. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.